Novastem offers high-end cosmetic options for rejuvenating and revitalizing the body using Platelet Rich Plasma Therapy and other non-surgical treatments. Beauty. Our Platelet Rich Plasma Infusion hydrates, nurtures, and maintains your skin's natural glow, providing much-needed vitamins and minerals lost to everyday exposure. Hair growth. A direct application of these platelets to the scalp, along with a multivitamin infusion, stimulate hair growth by enforcing your immune system and restoring its nutrients to avoid any deficiency that might contribute to hair loss. Additional beauty treatments at Novastem include anti-aging therapy, a thorough detoxification treatment that balances your health and helps prevent illnesses caused by toxic metals ingested through daily processed food. Finally, our non-surgical facelift treatment using Russian thread revitalizes the aesthetic and skin elasticity of your face, chin, and neck. Reverse the clock. Revitalize yourself.